everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today I'm going to be doing a Colourpop Honey palette demo, which I used to create this yellow look. On my Insta story, I did a poll asking if people prefer Get Ready With Me or voiceover. This video will be a voiceover because I decided that I don't like talking to the camera, and I apologize. I'll work on it, but it's like not fun for me. So before we get into the video, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe if you have not already. Give the video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications when you subscribe. Comment your thoughts on the palette, your thoughts on my makeup, and yeah, let's get into it. Foundation, highlight, and contour are already done. The video on how I do that will be linked below in my go-to makeup look video. So the Honey palette is $12 on the Colourpop website, and it comes with 9 yellow mustard shades. This is the NYX eyeshadow base that I'm putting on now so I can make the color pop. The first time that I used the palette, I didn't think the yellow came up well enough, so I figured this base would help. First, I'm using the color Oh Behave, and I'm gonna blend that in on the outer eye above my crease. Now I'm using the color Sweet Spot to go into the inner and outer corner of my eye. I'm going back in with the same brush that I used for Oh Behave to blend that out. For the center color, I'm using the color Dandy to fill in the space that I did not fill in already in the middle. Once again, I'm going in with Oh Behave, and I'm blending all of that together. Now I'm taking the color Buzzkill and putting that into the outer corner just to darken up the Sweet Spot color that I did in the outer corner already. Here I'm taking my finger and I'm getting the color Sunburst, and I am putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Now again, I'm blending all of the colors together because I have to. Put the Colorpalooza into my inner eye corner. I don't know where the footage went, but according to the box, you were not supposed to put that by your eye anyway, so just don't do that, okay? I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick and the color Trippin' as my highlight. The Slay by Ella multi-pack lashes as my lashes for today. I used the lashes in the center. Unlike the rest of the lashes in the pack, these were not labeled by a letter, but I had many technical difficulties with these, but I eventually did get the lashes on, and that's what matters. Let me know in the comments anything else that you guys would like me to demo or review on my channel. So that's it for my makeup look using the Honey palette. I really like this palette a lot. I love Colourpop in general, but I love it especially because I have like honey blonde highlights on my hair, so I think it goes really well with my hair. I think it goes great with my skin. The palette has like a good range of yellow. I feel like usually in most palettes there's only one yellow, and what can you do with that? So I like being able to work with all the different yellows in the palette. I really enjoyed using it. I enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys liked watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Check out my Instagram where I posted a picture a few days ago where I did this look. I did it for like when I went out for lunch for my birthday. So give that picture a like for me. My Instagram is n1a.g. Don't forget to follow me. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.